Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Questions and answers practice for beginners. Image 1. 1. What is the boy doing? He is studying and writing in a notebook. 2. What is he using to write? He is using a pencil. 3. What color is the boy's shirt? His shirt is blue. 4. What is on the desk? There are books, a lamp, a pencil holder, an eraser, and a pencil case. 5. What color is the desk lamp? It is blue. 6. Where is the boy sitting? He is sitting at a desk. 7. What is in the pencil holder? There are pencils, pens, and other stationery. 8. What is the boy looking at? He is looking at his notebook. Image 2. 1. How many children are in the picture? There are 2 children. 2. What are they playing with? They are playing with toys. 3. What toy is the boy holding? He is holding a toy car. 4. What toy is the girl holding? She is holding a toy rocket. 5. What is inside the toy box? A toy giraffe. 6. What color is the girl's skirt? It is pink. 7. What is floating in the air? A pink balloon. 8. What is on the floor near the boy? A toy car and an airplane. Image 3. 1. What is the boy doing? He is waking up and stretching. 2. What time of day is it? It is morning. 3. What is on the nightstand? A lamp, an alarm clock, and a picture frame. 4. What color are the curtains? They are yellow. 5. What is next to the bed? A bedside table with a lamp and an alarm clock. 6. What is outside the window? Trees, a house, and the sun. 7. What color is the bed? It is brown. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.